Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates how to create group appointments on Scheduley app. Once you log into Scheduley app, you will be taken to the home screen. Here, click to select any future date and time from the calendar. Once done, scroll down and click on My Groups. Here you will see all your groups. Select the group you want to make a group appointment for. Click the Make an Appointment button. Enter the title of the meeting and note for all members. Select the end time. If you want, you can select a date and time to receive a reminder about the meeting. Enter the address and add location from the map. Click the Submit. You have successfully created your group appointment. A notification of meeting will be sent to all members of the group. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.